Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things, politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. At last, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has broken his silence on detained IPOB, detained Biafran agitator Simon Ekpa, who is being detained in Finland. And in breaking his silence on this matter, the president has confirmed what I have said in this channel, that because of Nigeria's human rights record, Simon Ekpa will not be extradited to Nigeria for trial. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. And if you're new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. You know, I did an analysis in this channel where I showed that because of Nigeria's abysmal human rights record, lack of rule of law and due process, which was exhibited, which have been exhibited in the trial of Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the IPOB, that it will be difficult, if not impossible, for Finland to extradite Simon Ekpa to Nigeria, as Nigeria requested, because of Nigeria's abysmal human rights record and lack of rule of law in Nigeria. Now that has now been confirmed during the meeting of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu with the Finland Ambassador to Nigeria. Now, when the president received the Finland Ambassador to Nigeria, he has no choice but to break his silence and react to the arrest of the Biafran agitator Simon Ekpa. And he did this when the ambassador of Finland to Nigeria, Ms. Sana Sen, presented her letters of credence to the president. And this was contained in a statement issued by the president's special advisor on information and strategy, by Onanoga. In that exchange, the statement said that the president commended the Finnish authorities for the timely intervention that safeguarded the nation's integrity and mitigated an action that threatened peaceful coexistence. Now, this is where it gets interesting. Now, listen to what the president said. He said, I must thank you for your record on safeguarding human rights in our country with the trial of Simon Ekpa. He said, this is the president of Nigeria saying, I must thank you for your record on safeguarding human rights in our country with the trial of Simon Ekpa. So trying Simon Ekpa in Finland is safeguarding human rights in Nigeria. It means that there is no human rights in Nigeria. The human rights are being safeguarded by Finland. He said Nigeria is indivisible. We have been through turbulent times and we don't want to promote terrorism, Tinubu told the Finnish ambassador. He went on to say, and I quote, I am a child born into activism, but not divisiveness. We need cohesion and cooperation to bring about development. Our watchword is stability and cohesion to move the country forward. Now, this is where it's also get to where I was talking about. Continuing, the president said, the National Security Advisor, Malam Nuhu Ribado, has informed me. I know what the rule of law means. Okay, the president is telling the ambassador, he said, I know what the rule of law means. I know what the rule of law means. That because of the rule of law, it is because of the rule of law not being effective in Nigeria. That is why the trial is taking place in Finland. He said the rule of law safeguards our democratic credentials, morals, and values. We must respect the rule of law, the president said. Now, what this means, in my understanding, is that there was nowhere in this statement where the president made a demand for Simon Ekpa to be extradited to Nigeria, because that is a case that obviously looks dead on arrival. Because he said that Nuhu Ribado has informed me. I know what the rule of law means. We have Nuhu Ribado has informed him that there is no possibility of extraditing Simon Ekpa to Nigeria, that the best they could get is to allow Finland to do the trial in their country. And of course, you and I know that Nigeria has abysmal record of human rights. Look at what happened to Dele Faretimi the other day. Look at what is happening to Nnamdi Kanu, as has been mentioned severally by his lawyers. Okay? Look at Nigeria's disregard to the United Nations Human Rights Council order since 2022 that Nnamdi Kanu be set free. That shows that we don't have the human rights record that could warrant Simon Ekpa, who is a Finnish citizen, a citizen of Europe too, okay, by virtue of being from Finland, having Finland citizenship. He's also an European citizen. The likelihood of him being extradited to Nigeria is virtually zero. And the president appeared to have accepted this, because if it was still in the agenda, the president would have mentioned it in that meeting with the ambassador and draw attention to the need for Simon Ekpa to be extradited to Nigeria. Instead, he was thanking them for helping to save human rights in Nigeria. Because ordinarily you'll be asking yourself, how does Finland help in salvaging human rights in Nigeria? It means that Finland was doing for Nigeria what Nigeria cannot do for itself. Nigeria cannot be trusted to ensure fairness in its application of rule of law. Okay, and the president, another important takeaway from the interaction was the president was talking about that and he doesn't believe in division of Nigeria. Okay, he said he doesn't believe in the division of Nigeria, but the president himself has also, his government has granted pardon, literally. They have withdrawn the case against Sunday Igboho, who openly agitate for division of the country, for the creation of the Yoruba nation. Okay, and he is not alone. There are many others. There's Professor Akintoye, who is a leader and a major campaigner for this membership of Nigeria, especially for Yoruba to be separated from the rest of Nigeria. The president has not been seen coming out unequivocally to condemn them. Only recently, Sunday Igboho had the confidence to go to 10 Downing Street to present a petition to the British Prime Minister, demanding that the Yoruba be supported to be exited from Nigeria. But when the president is talking with the ambassador, he's talking about that he believes strongly in united Nigeria. Okay, but the truth of the matter also remains that those who are agitating, nobody has tried to find out the reason for their agitation. Nobody has tried to call Sunday Igboho and ask him, what is your reason for agitation? Nobody has called Nnamdi Kanu and say, what is the reason for your agitation? Why do you people want this country to be dismembered, or you want your people to go their separate way? Because remember that normally when people are frustrated with the system, they also play this kind of division card so that they could be listened to. There was a famous interview of Bola Ahmed Tinubu where he said that he doesn't believe in one Nigeria. That was an interview that he granted this day in 1998. That was at the heat of Nadeko, when they feel that they are marginalized in the Nigerian system. So those who say they don't want Nigeria today may want it tomorrow. That's why it's always good to disproportionately look at the issues. What is the reason that some people with all the opportunities available in this country say they don't want to be part of it? What effort is his government doing to bring the country together? In the case of Nnamdi Kanu, it seems as a closed chapter. He's not ready to do anything. Because the same Attorney General who withdrew the case of Sunday Igboho could still withdraw that of Nnamdi Kanu. In that of Sunday Igboho, they didn't say they will wait until the trial is finished. The judiciary to sort it out. They went to court and withdrew the papers and said no, and withdrew the case. So that's why sometimes it sounds funny when you have two cases that are similar, but you don't treat them equally. These are some of the things that the Finnish authorities saw and apparently said that Simon Ekpa sending him to Nigeria would not be a good idea because of Nigeria's abysmal human rights record. I don't know what you think about this. What is your position on the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu breaking his silence, and which now shows, as I said in this channel, that it will be difficult to extradite Simon Ekpa to Nigeria, because from that exchange between the ambassador and the president, it is clear now that Simon Ekpa will not be extradited to Nigeria. So he has the opportunity to defend himself of the allegations that have been leveled against him. At least his fate is far better than the fate of Nnamdi Kanu. If he is innocent, he is more likely to go free. In the case of Nnamdi Kanu, even if he's innocent, his chances of going free is neither here nor there. Because it appears the system wants him to be perpetually in detention. That's my take on this matter. Whatever is your view on this, let's hear from you from the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.